Всем привет! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Russian for Beginners with Marina. Today we're going to learn some very important words in Russian. Da. Yes. Da. We also have quite a number of sounds that we make in affirmation. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. With a lot of nodding. All of them mean da. Yes. Нет. No. Нет. And again, some noises that we make instead of saying no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Не-а. Не-а. All of them mean нет. Конечно. Of course. Конечно. You will definitely hear it a lot once you're in Russia. Конечно. Давай. Come on. Давай. We use this word 100 times a day. Whenever you want something to happen, make someone go somewhere, people to start talking, initiate a movement, you just say давай. Извините. Excuse me. Извините. Извините. Reasons why you need to know this word. We do not have words like Mr. or Mrs. So if you want to attract someone's attention, you just say извините. If you want to call a waitress, you say извините. If you want to ask for directions, stop someone in the street, say извините. You want to start a conversation with someone, you should start with извините. Need to pass someone on the way, say извините. That is it for today. More important words are in the following lessons. But you know, they say human brain can only retain 5 words per session. So I suggest we go slowly but steadily. 5 words of today's lesson. Да. Нет. Конечно. Давай. Извините. До скорого!